Welcome back to Muus Family Adventures, and today we're on the road again, heading to Bear Creek Trail. We might have a chance of seeing a waterfall, maybe a 2-footer.
It says it's probably 1.5 miles there, and there's a small falls. Open area, good spot for lunch.
So we might be having lunch next to a waterfall
There's a
today.
lot of people on.
So we've made it to the trailhead here at Bear Creek. Parking lot.
We only missed the road like 6 times.
So we did try to go up to Bear Creek Overlook, and the snow was just potentially too deep for us to get up there safely with the family. So now we're down below at another trailhead called Bear Creek Trail, and supposedly it's a pretty good hike. So we're gonna take you out with us, and hopefully you enjoy it as much as we do.
And everybody says we're yak tracks, so I'm gonna make sure
Yeah.
to not put mine on.
We're definitely warned of the ice on the trail. This is our buddy that's coming with. He's family, and he's gonna enjoy the day with us.
Why don't you just invite them so we don't have to know what we're going to do on our own hike, and they can tell us.
There's moose up here. There's moose on the loose. Here we go. Starting the Bear Creek Trail, Victor, Montana. As you can see, we're about 20 yards into it, and we've already hit the ice. So got our yak tracks on. Everybody's in a good mood. Heading on down the trail. So we're about a half mile in, and as you can see, Marlo's leading the pack. It's got us on a good pace here. It's best to let the kids lead. Keeps the rest of the group at their pace so they're comfortable.
Right.
Doesn't mean any of the adults are comfortable, but
The kids
it's
are
best to keep the kids happy.
Sell them in that Norway.
And
Sell them or someplace
and
where
swearing.
they're all mad at those Brexit people. I'd be mad at them too.
So, got a picture of that beautiful creek, and kind of went off road to get down here to be able to share that with you. So I'm gonna cut through these woods here and try to catch up with the group. We're about oh, 3/4 of a mile in, and it just keeps getting prettier the further we get up here. So it's a pretty amazing place up here around Missoula, Montana. I mean, there's probably a good 20 hiking trails just along the Bitterroot Valley, you know, all within an hour of Missoula. So I mean, in a way, we've got it made if you love the outdoors. This is pretty much right in our backyard. Try to got a creek here. Try to navigate my way back up to that trail up there. It's definitely you know, you don't really realize how far off the trail you are. We'll catch up with the group here. All right. Got a little creek running down the trail here. It's Marlo and the group.
Justin, if you're thirsty, you can actually drink this water.
Really?
Yeah, you can drink this water.
It's that clean, huh?
Yeah, you can actually...
Don't you think we should run it through a filter first?
No, I tasted it already. It was fine.
Okay. Well, we'll see how you're doing in about 24 hours, but it looks crystal clear.
Hey guys, run into the body.
I see what he was talking about now. There's just a nice little natural spring coming out the side of the mountain there. He's probably gonna be okay. So, coming across the trail here, we've got some fallen logs. Yeah, some breastfeeding. True mama bear there. Taking on the trail obstacles while nursing a baby. Pretty impressed with this whole group. Scurried down here. Somebody's dog is on the loose, but thought you might want to see this. This is beautiful. It's just cool how that water goes right over top of that black bedrock right there. So awesome. Bear Creek Trail's really paying off. Glad we came. It's picnic time.
Really, Justin? While I'm feeding my face? Really?
got some good captures of this waterfall up here at Bear Creek Trail. We're gonna head back now. It's starting to get late and we don't want to be walking in the dark. But definitely Bear Creek's pretty beautiful up here, and it's a real easy hike for the whole family. Kids had no problem, so beautiful.
We're heading back down the icy mountainside. Who's sleeping, having a cold baby. He has green boogers. Needs some fresh air. And this is the exact reason why we always carry 2 baby carriers. You gotta have the one where they can fall asleep in comfortably, and the one where they can get the perfect views. It's really pretty down there. It's really pretty everywhere.
Me and my first school got to hold a baby toad.
It's just now the beginning of April in Montana, and you can see it's really snowy. And at the forest school that Marlo goes to, we found a baby toad. It's very exciting.
And I holded it. We holded it too.
Did you get warts? Did you get warts?
Nope.
So we're on our way down, and for some reason there's animal limbs hanging from trees. Not really sure what that's all about, but it's horrific. Deer heads?
You said, you know, the animals?
Yeah.
Yeah, those. I don't know how many we'll find. Whatever we know, we're just gonna keep them, sell them, make money.
Oh.
Whatever.
We're gonna make some money off of some deer heads we find.
No.
So once again, we're back to the trailhead parking lot. Definitely a Bear Creek Trail. It was definitely beautiful, worth coming up. Thanks for joining us with Muus Family Adventures, and see you next time. And of course, it's time for a sandwich.
Fucking sandwiches. I mean, sandwiches.